Alright guys, right back at you. This is Bob from Food Use, and I thank you guys for watching my videos. I've made it to 9,000 subscribers, about 9,600 or 700, but I'm really thankful for you guys for helping me make this happen. So hopefully we'll get 10,000 really soon. Alright, so while the people walk by me, and hi. So I'm gonna make this video here with this chicken that I bought. The guy's boyfriend is looking at me like, what the hell? Why did I tell her hi for? I'm just being nice, you know. So the lemon chicken, the sweet down lemon chicken, the sweet chicken. All right, what the hell is this garbage thing?
You put it there.
I put it there, right? Okay. So I got the 3-piece monstrosity tenders, but they're not monstrosity tenders, but they're kind of big, right? They look like crab claws or something like that, or big lobster claws. But that's not what it is, though. These are the 3-piece. Excuse me, 3-piece sweet chicken from Popeyes. I don't know if the title's going to be in the description, or the description's going to be in the title, something like that. But anyway, let's try out this crunchy tender, see what it tastes like. All right, so here's a close-up look at one of them. Let's go for the foot part. Okay. All right, so came with a biscuit right here, and 2 more tenders, which are much smaller actually. This one here is the smallest one, so right here. Now I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this with some Cajun rice. All right, so let me open up this Cajun rice here. It smells like cafeteria rice. Anyway, let's get, hold on a second. You're supposed to give me a spoon, right? Okay, here it is. Spork. All right. Spork spoon. All right, now that I got that out of the way, I have the spork spoon here. Spoon, what are you talking about, man? The spork spoon. Put it in there. All right, so here we have the rice. All right, and we have the big chicken tender right here. So I'm gonna eat it with it. Take out a bite out of that. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Now it fell down to the ground, but I'm gonna eat it. This is the Cajun rice I have here, which I believe is made out of rice and some minced meat or ground beef or something. I ain't get any fries. Because I like a good chicken and rice. Of course, this looks like it's made from chicken breast. You can see here. All right, I got $1 soda from that place. All right, so the rice is not bad, but most importantly is this chicken tender right here. I think the 5 pieces is like $7.99. And the 3-piece, $5.99. So say I'm gonna get the 3-piece. Just to try it out, you know. But here's what it looks like, though. You know, it's not bad because the first bite actually, when I tasted it first, hold on, I got a message. What are you up to? What am I up to? Hold on, I gotta text her back, man. What am I up to? Hope you don't mind. Till I'm making a damn video. Leave me alone. No. Let's see. Hey, babe. Wait, hold on. Just reverse. I miss. Okay. Lovey-dovey. Blah blah blah. Okay. Lovey-dovey. What are you up to? I don't know. Afraid to ask what she's up to. All right, so my chicken tender again and rice all over the floor. Now, this stuff here, at first bite, it tastes pretty sweet. I wasn't feeling it. Wasn't my kind of thing. The second bite, but after I got the third bite, I started getting used to it. It doesn't taste that bad, actually.
No. I got a video. No.
All right. So, a piece of that crumb. Biscuit. A little upside down, but all right, so I finished one tender and I'm gonna go for the next one because, oh, wait a minute. Almost forgot. She gave me some smoking pepper jam sauce. All right. So I'm gonna eat this thing. I'm gonna eat it all out. All right, you can see here, I'm gonna eat it all out. Got another piece of tender here. I'm gonna take out. Okay, look at that. Oh, look at that. Filled to the brim. All right. Put in some sauce right there to see what this black. What is it called again? The smoking pepper jam sauce tastes like. All right. That's what I'm talking about. See? Thumbnail. Oh wow, yeah. Pretty good actually. You can see the some pepper flakes on that chicken tender. Some good stuff, baby. This sauce makes it. This sauce makes it. Try some of the sauce with your french fries.
Ooh,
Tastes good, right?
hot. Heavy pepper.
The sauce alone. This sauce alone would make me want to eat it again.
Oh, yeah.
Amazing. I got one left, so I'm gonna eat it out. That's okay. So what I'm gonna do, the chicken tender by itself, pretty good. But the sauce makes it. If you get it with the sauce. There's pepper jam sauce. Good stuff right there, man. Oh man, I got some on my shirt. Decided to fall all over my shirt, man. Alright, so, once again, I eat out my chicken tenders. And thank you guys for watching me again, my videos. I appreciate that. And right back at you is Bob from Food Use. And I'll see you guys next time. Come on, take a bite, man. Girls. Go ahead. Alright, I'll eat it. What the hell? Mm.